don't move the camera. Good. Right there?
Yeah, I think right there is cool. Don't touch it.
Okay. And
Don't touch it.
Daddy's fixing the car. Dad, say hi. Say hi, Dad. Say hi. Say hi to Grandma. Dad, say hi.
Cuando ustedes me ven, yo sé que tiemblan. Yo estoy ready 24 hours. El Padre, pídame la bendición. Tú no metes cabra, Sara Mambiche. Tú no metes cabra, Sara.
And we're fixing the car. But Dad's fixing the car his own. But I'm not helping because Dad's my best friend. Because our car, the bus is
Like the
walking.
narrator. What's going on, guys? So I got the lip a couple days ago. Again, thanks to Ikon Motorsports. I'm loving the fitment. So I'm about to get to installing it right now. The only thing I don't like is the excess that it leaves here on the inside. I'll show you guys later. But other than that, it's pretty good. Got my Milwaukee drill, some bits, and I'm about to install this thing. So here we go.
Go. And action. Dad, I just fixed the car.
All right. Hey guys, so the lip is installed, and right now I'm installing the cheap bolts that I got from JD and Stans. That's how they look when they're together. It's actually making a big difference. So let me finish them up, and I'll show you how they look.
24 hours. El Padre, pídame la bendición. Tú no metes cabra, Sara Mambiche. 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 Tú no metes cabra, Sara Mambiche.
Show you the bolts that changed. Right there. Focus. By the fuse box. All the ones on the fenders. Headlights. Washer fluid. Radiator support. Bracket. The bumper, of course. And everything on the other side. There's a couple more I could do, like the one on the clutch. And all those little ones there, so I'll probably buy another one. And I got some on the firewall too. Hold the fuel filter. This is a D15 CX, barely 100 horsepower. Got the swap waiting, and I cannot wait. Let's take a look at the lip. It fits really good. I put some silver screws in the middle for now. I just wanted to fit it. I really can't wait. I just wanted to fit it. I usually put screws regardless, even if I do two-sided tape or whatever. I still like to put the screws. It gives it some sort of look if you do it right and space them out right and everything. So eventually I'll replace them into black and have them a little longer. So I don't like those. I'll have to take the bumper off so I get a better angle. I might even go with a little nut and bolt set, real small. Give it that like aircraft look. And that's the other side. So that's it for my video. Today we did the
Out here.
screws. We did the lip. And that's it for today. So I'll talk to you guys later. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Comments down below, well appreciated. Again, thanks to Ikon Motorsports. And with the help of my son.
You think you're running on my son?
Yeah, what he said.
I knocked the gate off.
All right.
The gate's so locked.
That's a wrap, guys.
I bet.